This is for my county.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, Philadelphia County in southeast Pennsylvania, southeastern Delaware County in southeast Pennsylvania, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northeastern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey, until 7:45 a.m. At 7:03 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from Tallyville to Ellesmere to Bear, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Wilmington and Darden around 7:10 a.m., Kensville and Penns Grove around 7:15 a.m., Chester around 7:20 a.m., Swarthmore and Nether Providence Township around 7:25 a.m., Drexel Hill and Folecroft around 7:30 a.m., Eden and East Lansdowne around 7:35 a.m. Severe thunderstorms produce winds of more than 57 miles per hour, or hail 1 inch or larger. Doppler radar has indicated some rotation within the storm. While not immediately likely, a tornado may still develop. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room on the lowest floor. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 a.m. for the following county, Newcastle County, Delaware, and the following counties in New Jersey, Camden, Gloucester, and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Delaware, and Philadelphia.